But you can talk all you want about other factors that may have contributed to each of these tragedies, but ultimately, I have to take full responsibility.
Was Mr. Covington aware of the previous shootings when he agreed to go hunting with you?
Oh, I'm sure he was. I'm not sure how he could not have been with the all the attention in the media.
Did he seem hesitant at all to go?
Not that I could tell, no.
The shooting itself. Describe what happened.
The situation was similar to that of the first accident back in February. Bird flushed, went off to my right, off to the east. I turned and shot at the bird, and at that second I saw Charlie standing there like an idiot, right in the line of fire. Didn't know he was there.
You pulled the trigger when you saw him.
Well, I saw him fall, basically. Happened so fast.
Then what?
Well, after I saw him go down, I called out, telling him to stay put. That would be right there. We being myself and the entourage of security and medical personnel that always accompanied me on these sorts of things.
And it was then that he received medical attention for his wounds.
Actually, no. For whatever reason, rather than staying down like I told him, Charlie got up and started running away from me rather erratically towards a stand of nearby trees.
He started running. Huh. Then what?
I called out to him again, urging him to stop. Repeated it twice. Charlie, stop, stop. And when he didn't, I shot him.
You shot him.
Uh-huh.
You shot Mr. Covington a second time.
Right.
What exactly was going through your mind at that point?
Well, my main concern was Charlie getting into the woods and becoming lost, making it difficult for us to locate him and provide the medical attention he needed. Secondary concern was him finding his way out of the woods without our knowledge. Perhaps flag down a passing motorist and begin talking. Possibly talking with someone in the media before he had and before we had all the facts. So my thinking at that point in time was to not let him get away, especially in the state he was in. Bloody, disoriented, screaming.
Screaming? What? What was he saying?
Oh, I don't know. Things like, no, please, don't do this. He made some remark about his wife, kids, just before I put him down. Difficult to understand at times. He was running away in sort of a zigzag pattern, occasionally looking back at me over his shoulder, yelling the whole time.
Is he a fast runner?
No, not especially.
Where'd you hit him?
He was probably 30, 35 yards
No, I
away.
mean, where on his body did you hit him?
Upper back, shoulder blade. He might have had a few pieces of buckshot embedded near the base of his scalp and along one side of his neck and face.
What happened next?
Well, fortunately, the second time he went down, he stayed down, and we were able to approach him.
Was he conscious?
He was conscious. I said, "Charlie, are you okay? Why'd you try to run?"
What'd he say?
He didn't respond. He was stunned, moaning. I'm sure he didn't know what the hell was happening, having just been shot twice within a span of about 30 seconds or so.
Were his eyes open?
Yes. Well, one eye was open. The other one was gone.